So let us see. The today's session is about empowering VLSI design, which is nothing but. So let us check what are the open source tools across the chip design layout and what can the tools be used. So let us see the introduction of these tools and what are the tools in which various domains can be used, like RTL development, verification, integration. So there are some particular domains in VLSI. So where what are the particular tools used in that particular domain. So let us check first. Introduction. So, open source tools have gained widespread recognition in the VLSI design community due to their accessibility, flexibility, and community driven development. This report highlights the key tools, their applications, and the roles associated with each stage in VLSI design process. And these tools cover all the stages of chip design, including front end, back end verification, and post silicon testing. So basically, we are going to get knowledge of about the tools which are used in open source for VLSI. First, the roles associated in digital design and the RTL development or RTL design engineer, digital design engineer, and SOC design engineer. So the tools which can be used as here as uses, which is for logic synthesis, Verilator, which is used for high performance simulation, Icarus Verilog, which is used for beginner level Verilog simulators. So VHDL is for used for VHDL simulation, and Megan or NMegan, so which is nothing but a Python based hardware description, and the applications related to this is we can use this by writing RTL code, which is used in the programming languages like Verilog or VHDL. And so in this we can use as the synthesizing gate level netlist and used for optimizing the designs for performance, power, and area. So which is also called as PPA. Let us check into functional verification. The associated roles to this functional verification or verification engineer, formal verification engineer, emulation engineer, and the tools used here are Cocod B, which is used for Python based test bench creation, Symbiosis, which is used for formal verification suite, GTK Wave, which is used for waveform viewer, and Fault, which is used for verification framework in Python. And the applications where the functional verification can be used as unit and system level verification, formal correctness checking, and RTL debugging using the waveform analysis. So this is about the functional verification. So let us check into the analog and mixed signal, which is nothing but AMS design, and the associated roles here are analog design engineer and mixed signal design engineer. The tools here used are NV-SPICE, which is used for SPICE-based circuit simulation. XICE is used for high performance circuit simulator. Uses used for GUI-based circuit simulation. Sky 130 PDK is used for open source process and it is a design kit. And the applications of this AMS design are, so it is used both in analog and mixed signal circuit simulations. So we can, with the help of this, we can design PLLs, ADCs, and DACs amplifiers. And with the help of this, we can check the transient AC and the noise analysis. So coming to the next SOC and IP integration. So here the associated roles are SOC design engineer or IP design and verification engineer. The tools used are LaTeX, which is a Python based SOC generator, Fizzle, which is a high level hardware language, Open Titan, which is used and a secured SOC platform. So applications used for SOC and IP integration are integration of processors and memory IPs, SOC performance evaluation, and managing the IPs which interconnects and which can be reused. So this is about the SOC and the IP integration. So let us come into the physical design. So it is formally known as the backend implementation. So the associated roles here are physical design engineer or even STA engineers. The tools used for PD are Open Road, which is used for RTL to GDS to automation. So Flow is used for synthesis, placement, and routing. Magic VLSI is used for layout editor. NetGen can be used for layout versus schematic verification, and OpenLane is used for ASIC flow using Sky 130, and the applications related to this PD, I mean physical design or placement, CTS, and routing. So design rule checks, so DRCs and LVS, BDS2 layout generations for fabrications. And coming to the fabrication process and open source manufacturing tools, associated roles here are process engineer, yield engineer, equipment engineer, and the tools used are Sky 130 PDK, which is used for 130 nanometers process, and open PDKs. So it is a fabrication process for simulators. FabSim, so it is used for process modeling. TCAD used for PCB design tool, and FreeCAD used for 3D modeling, which is used in packaging. So the applications used in this fabrication process will be a standard cell library development, lithography and fabrication simulations, and this can be used in PCBs and chip packaging designs. So let us see about the post silicon validation and testing. So for this role, the associated roles will be test engineer, failure analysis engineer, silicon validation engineer, and the open tools can be used as open ASOC, so which is used for analog design automation. Sigroc used for logic analyzer framework. Pulse View is used for GUI, which is used in signal inspections, and the applications related to this post silicon are running tests on fabricated chips, debugging the physical silicon failures, and using the JTAGs and boundary scan for validation. So this is about the post silicon validation. Then let us conclude. so this report demonstrates how the open source tools enable a complete low cost design and verification ecosystem. And even these tools are not only academically significant but also increasingly adopted even in the industries, particular in startups and research environments. So, in order to build our career in VLSI, so we need to participate in open source VLSI communities, and we should contribute to tool development or documentation, and we need to work on end-to-end design projects using platforms like OpenLane and Sky 130. So this is about the VLSI open source tools which are used for what type of role.